back to my YouTube channel. I have my mom today here with me, and my family are going to Atlanta, Georgia.
Off we go to Atlanta, and we'll see you there once we land, and we'll make some more videos when we are there.
So guys, Hamad said Leo is going as well. He's in his bag. He's ready to go. First time on the plane. So we're eating food. We're in the plane now. Look at this, Arslan having his food. Show your food, show your food. Yeah, we're having McDonald's. We got Imran somewhere over there. That's Imran right there. He's sitting alone.
Lonely guy.
Lonely guy, what can you say? Guys, Leo's first. He's under my feet. It's his first plane ride. He's sleeping right now. Let's just hope he sleeps for the rest of 2 hours.
No, we're not watching videos. No one wants to hear your videos,
क्यूट हो रहे हैं बच्चे चुप हो जा चुप
जाके तू कैंडी देख दे चुप करा
रोता जा रहा है इसने हेडफोन लगा लिए इसमें कुछ आवाज नहीं आ रही
मानो डैडी मेरे जो
बच्चे की रोने की कैसी आवाज मतलब कैसा लग रहा है और गाना से बोल बच्चा रोता जा रहा है
मैंने तो नहीं सुना, हेडफोन लगा रहे थे।
अब आ रही आवाज
अब आ रही है, बड़ी गंदी आवाज में बोल रहे हैं।
बहुत गंदी आवाज है बच्चे की। मोहन भाई टॉफी दे दे जाए टॉफी दे के ओए 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 ना करो to land very soon. How was your flight? Good. How was your flight, Arslan? Oh, he got his headphones on. He can't hear us. But we're about to land. Hey guys, so it's day 2 in Atlanta. What do you got to say, Arslan?
So we're right now in Atlanta here. It's a warm weather. We have like a 50 degrees here.
Oh yeah.
No need for a jacket. You can see we're in like sweatshirts. And we're heading to the Coke factory in Atlanta.
Ooh, Arslan's favorite.
Yeah,
Coke.
we're about to taste like 100 different flavors there. So see you all there. I'll be there, so you'll be there.
And Arslan is in front of his true love, Coca-Cola building. Arslan, how are you feeling? Oh no, he's running. Oh no! How are you feeling?
We're gonna take you inside. We're gonna visit. I'm a guide here today.
Okay. Arslan Babar's our guide. Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Today is a very immense moment for me. My childhood has been Coca-Cola. I've drank Coca-Cola all my life. I've lived on Coca-Cola.
All kids used to drink milk. He used to drink Coca-Cola.
No water. Save water. Drink Coca-Cola. That's why we're here today.
Yes, sir. We got the whole fam here. Well, we are about to take our picture over here in front of this Coca-Cola thing. I don't know what this is, but like a projector. Good. Come on down. Let's go. And we are entering the Coke world, or Coca-Cola. World of Coca-Cola. Woo! Plan your dream. Your dream. It's here.
I want to take that glass bottle out of here.
Here, put a Coke with it.
Fantastic. It looks like we've got a fairly big group, but I want to assure you of something. You're not going to be with me for very long, okay? The whole idea here is that we get you into the middle of the world. When people come in here and they see you, they go, oh no, I'm going to be with this guy for 2 hours. Don't worry about it, okay? We're going to talk for just a few minutes and I'm going to get you on your way. And everybody, come on in, come all the way to the door. Tell me, in what year Coca-Cola served its very first Coca-Cola?
If anyone can translate it for me, please. Thank you.
When did it all begin? What year? What do you think? That's our fantastic day today at the World Cup. Enjoy everybody.
Left to right, leave the top.
Hello, everyone, and welcome into the Coca-Cola Theater. Feel free to find yourselves a seat anywhere, but leave those back 2 rows open. As the back 2 rows, we like to keep reserved for our guests with wheelchairs or mobility needs. If you don't have either, please.
We are here. Oh my god, that video was beautiful. I was almost about to cry. We are entering the hall. Let's see what's here. Check this out, guys. So guys, I'm gonna try to create the Coke mixture here, the secret ingredients. Let's see.
How about I open it up?
I don't want 2 slices of it. No.
Test my mix. It's gonna say somewhat refreshing. And if it says that. Really? We're not gonna talk about it. Yeah, it's not going in there. They said I made a bad Coke. This guy right here. We love you. He literally made my life. Guys, I have found the love of my life, but he is behind the curtains. He doesn't want to show his face. I'm coming, don't worry. Yes, see? He said hello. We're in the Coca-Cola room. Everywhere Coca-Cola. And Ron's cooking his pictures, I see. Alright, this is a secret wolf. Detective Arslan. Detective Arslan, open the vault. Open it up. His fingerprint is gonna work. But they're saying this is the vault to open the secret ingredient of Coca-Cola.
But we don't have the password to it.
We don't have it. We're
If he
trying
did it, if he had the password, I would have taken it to Bonnie Bray and I would have had a Coke Bonnie Bray factory.
Yes, sir.
But unfortunately, we don't.
Yeah. Here we can try all the Coke flavors. So look at that, Tom's already going for it. They have drinks from Spain, Puerto Rico, Philippines, Germany, literally all. They have different drinks from different countries. It's really cool. Which one did you guys like the best?
Hi.
Oh my god, that's Ishul. No one really cares, but it's alright. Next. Just joking. We love Ishul. So guys, we tried all of these and all of the ones. There's different ones at each one. Guys, whatever you guys do, don't ever try this one. It is the worst one. It's called Beverly from Italy. Ooh, it's disgusting. This one was pretty good, not gonna lie. From Madagascar, it's really good. What do you want to say, Manbaji? Which one was the worst and which one was the best?
The worst one was the Italy one. I don't know what the name is.
I don't remember the name either, but it tasted like barbecue sauce, or are you talking about the other one?
No, the last one. It tasted
Oh,
so bitter.
it tasted so bitter. In the
Yeah.
beginning it was fine, and then it tasted
Yeah.
bitter.
Tasted
The
bad.
best one I think is Coca-Cola.
No, I like the stanza one, but I don't remember which one it was.
Oh, okay. So this is the collector's corner, you know, as you guys can see, this is where all the collected Coke is here, I guess. But it looks cool, so I just wanted to share it with you guys. Coca-Cola. We love Coke.
Manure.
Yes, sir.
Yay.
So what is this here?
Obviously, it's
Water treatment.
It sanitizes the place
Okay.
to 180 degrees.
Oh, nice.
And it cleans the interiors of the pipes so that
And all that good stuff, yep. Mhm.
I was so.
No, we don't want to hear you.
This is the water treatment. Ah!
What? Oh, yeah, go ahead.
And
Okay.
this is the filter. And
Okay.
this is the syrup tank. It has 1,000 gallons.
Anything else you want to add?
No.
Okay.
This is smooth flow of liquid.
Okay. She's just reading these.
I'm not.
Not that smart. I'm just
Look at all
joking. She's
these
smart.
machines.
Okay. These are all the machines. What else? This is a TV right here. This is E-Show. That's Imran. That's Maha. That's an elevator. What does this do though? Lowerator. Yeah, lowerator. I don't know what that is though.
It lowers it obviously on
Okay. What is
This is
this?
the bottle inspector.
Okay.
And this is the packaging robot. The robot does it itself because it's so smart.
That's the robot? The
And
yellow thing?
it's called FizzyBot. Yeah, that's the robot.
Oh, hi, FizzyBot.
That's Mr. Bot.
I need that at home.
And that's the laser.
What is? Okay.
It coats the bottles, obviously.
Okay.
And this is the blender. It's when they mix all the things together.
Okay.
And this is the assurance lab when they test it to make sure no one dies.
Oh, no one dies. Okay. Yeah. Gotta make sure that's all right. All right. And now we're out.
Yeah, and these are all the weird components. And look, it's 3D,
I'm one of the
so you
weird
can see the
people
map,
too. That
and you can
okay.
see the people.
How cool. That's interesting.
Yeah.
And that's the bathroom, I think. I don't know why we're going there, but we gotta go this way. We're back here. And that's my homie right there. Alright guys, we are leaving Arslan's Dreamland. How much would you review out of 10?
So it was a great museum, even though I was really tired. Coca-Cola museum refreshed me,
Okay.
and now I'm heading out. I would give it a 9.5 out of 10.
9.5?
Yeah,
Why
it was a
why a
great-
0.5 difference?
0.5 just because they didn't share the formula with me. If they had shared with the formula of the Coke, 10 out of 10.
Okay.
10
What do
out
you
of
think?
It was good.
How much out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Me too. I'm saying 10 out of 10. Imran, Isho and Maha, what would you guys rate it out of a 10? The Coca-Cola
Atlanta,
experience.
they will give 10.
8? I'm giving it a 10 out of 10.
11.
Oh, 11. What about you, Imran?
I'm a Coke fan, so I'm giving it 10.
All right, nice. So we are here at Scoville Hot Chicken. It's Zabia Halal.
To
What are you
everybody,
feeling?
I had Coke and everything. Now I'm tired of Coke. I don't want to drink Coke. That's why I got Red Bull now.
Oh my God, he's lame. He's gonna go back home and drink Coke. I know. All right, so Arslan's gonna try it.
These
What are
chaat
these,
masala fries.
Chaat masala fries. Let me have one too. How are they? They're good.
Really nice.
That's a 10.
A little bit kacha, but they're really nice.
A little bit okay.
Put 'em in.
Try the burger. Where's the burger at?
I ain't gonna try the burger right now.
All right, we'll get back when we try the burger. And the big moment is here. Ifan's gonna try the burger.
The hot burger.
I got the hot burger. I got mild. Or not mild, medium. And he's about to take a bite soon. How is it? Out of 10. Out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Okay. So where are we, Arslan?
We're in Atlanta's botanical garden, and it's very cold here.
Okay.
40. It's below 40
You
right
guys
now.
can see the lights a little bit. We're going up still. What else?
We'll get you some shots up in a chilly day in Georgia tonight.
What is
Botanical
this,
garden.
a weather channel now?
Checking out botanical garden
Uh-huh.
from the Lime Scooty.
Oh,
Thank
cool. What is he doing? So this is the Atlanta Botanical Garden. As you can see, we are here to see the lights. The line is pretty long, but we're down to wait. And we are here. Yes,
Nice star
he's in
lights.
and out.
Very
The
lights.
fam. Look how beautiful this is. I'm loving the lights. Amazing. This looks beautiful. Goes all the way. I think we're in Jumanji right now. What is this? We're in like a jungle or something. What is going on? Oh my god. Beautiful place. Look at that. So pretty. All right, guys, we are going home now.
End of day 2.
Day 2 in
Atlanta.
Atlanta. Yep.
Botanic Garden. You guys
Oh,
can
yeah.
see the pictures soon. Gonna
Great
be published.
time.
Check them out. It was nice. We had a
Go
special
follow us
dance
on our
performance
Instagram.
too.
Oh yeah, on Sadi Gali and this other song.
take a look at that as well.
All right, guys, take care. See you guys tomorrow. Mama, we are going back to Chicago from Atlanta. How are you feeling?
I'm missing Maha and their family, but I'm happy to join my family back. I joined Moin, and I'm excited to go back now.
Okay. All right, guys, we are checking out from Atlanta. We're going back to Chicago. Finally, I'm gonna go back home. I'm gonna miss Atlanta and the people here, but we had a great time. And yep, this is the Atlanta airport. You can see my dad right there with my brothers. We have officially landed in Chicago. Islam right here, Amman, but great views.